up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I got this bomb tape-in extension style, okay, with this little pop of blonde in it. This is exactly what the doctor ordered, okay. This blonde gives me life. So I'm going to show y'all how I did like the front and the very back, and in the middle, guys, I literally just filled it in like in separate pieces just to kind of make it full. But I wanted to make sure, because like the last times I did my tape-in installs, I feel like you can kind of see it at the very top. So I wanted to make sure I had enough of leave out because my hair is not super full. This is the virgin hair straight. Last time I did tape-in extensions, they were like Remy hair. Totally different. You can tell the difference between Remy hair and virgin hair for sure. But yeah, guys, it's like 3 in the morning. I'm so tired. So if you don't already know, my name is London Tay, but my real name is Taylor Girl. And if you are an OG subscriber, just know that I give hugs around this mug when I do personal videos. Let's go. All right. If you don't already know, we do give hugs around this mug, baby girl. These tape-in extensions came from CurlsQueen Hair. Everything that I'm using, the length and the color and everything and how much I use, will be in the description box below in case you guys are wondering, okay. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is London Tay coming to you today with another video, girl. Another tape-in install tutorial is here, okay. So this is basically what I'm using. I'm using the tape-in extensions from CurlsQueen Hair, and then I'm using the tape that came with it, the extra tape, and also the pliers that I ordered separately on Amazon, okay. Here is what I'm using, guys. 2 bundles. They came with a brush in the box. They came with those little, what do you call those, velcro strips to kind of keep the hair out the way while you're doing it. It came with a bonnet, some clips, okay, and it came with the bundles. So y'all, I made that face because those bundles smell so good. Like, it was just such a pleasant experience when it came to these tape-in extensions, okay. So here's basically how they look. I'm about to figure out how I'm going to do my hair, okay. Like I said, it's 2 bundles. One is like the beige color, that blonde color, the ombre, and then the other color is just like the natural, like 1B black, okay, which actually matched my hair pretty well. You know, sometimes with virgin bundles, like, you know, the color may be a little off, maybe like a color number 2, but these extensions actually match my color very well. So I was pleased because I didn't have to worry about like coloring the bundles or anything like that before install. Now, like I said, they came with extra tape in the bag, and that is if you want to reuse the tape-in extension, okay. That's what the extra tape is for. Right here, guys, I'm just going to make sure I just kind of have the back out, the sides out, and actually just the middle part out. I realize that I'm not going to want to wear it a lot of different ways, so I'm okay with it only having like a good middle part, okay. So make sure you always, you know, leave out in the back, and enough leave out on the sides, and enough leave out on the front, guys, because I think the last mistake I made with my other straight tape-in extensions because I didn't leave enough hair out in the top, and it's kind of like you can see the tape-in extensions from the top, but that's only because I have fine texture hair, so that may make a difference. So right here, guys, I use a velcro strip to kind of push the hair out the way at the top, and I'm just going to freehand it. Now, I did the back on camera and the front on camera, but that middle at the top, I had to go to the bathroom to kind of like get a better view, bigger mirror, you know, to make sure that I did it right. So these are not going to be perfect, guys. I'm doing my own hair. It's not going to be perfect, baby, but it's going to be worth it, okay? Because they have not slipped out. They're pretty secure. So right here, you're going to grab one. I'm grabbing the 1B color, and I'm going to kind of take the little, what is it called, the little plastic strip off, and then I'm going to kind of start sandwiching my hair in between. So I like to just do like from the bottom and press in really good, and then do that same thing on the top and press those tape-in extensions in really good. Now, I did use the pliers this time, the tape-in extension pliers, as you guys can see right here. I'm just kind of putting them, you know, putting it around the tape-in extensions and pressing in really well, and that is going to get it to be very secure and just get it way tighter than your hands and your fingers will be able to do, okay. So that is how the first one looks, and I'm literally going to just kind of get small slices. I feel like the smaller the slices, the better. Don't get too thin of a slice, but a good enough, good enough slice. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the second one the same way, guys. I'm just gonna kind of sandwich it together, sandwich it at the bottom, and then go have one on the top and sandwich it at the top. Press it in really, really, really well. And I'm just gonna keep on doing the same thing, guys. Super slim piece. Press it from the bottom up where the sticky side is up, and then I'm going to use the same thing and press that from the bottom down. Press it in really good, and use the pliers to make sure that it is secure. Okay. Yep. And here we have it, guys. Here we have it. That is some of the back. And I'm just going to literally just keep on doing it. It's so easy, guys. The only problem is when you're doing it yourself, you're not going to get it exactly, straight and things like that. But good thing about tape ins, it don't matter if you get it straight or not, The Velcro strips really help to kind of keep the hair down and keep those little tiny flyaways down when you're trying to do like the little tape ins. Because sometimes you can get those little skinny little, flyaway pieces. And girl, it be a hot mess. Okay, so those Velcro strips really, really, really help with kind of keeping the hair separate. Love it for that. So I'm gonna do that the 1B, and then I'm gonna just add a little bit of pieces of that blonde just to have those pop of colors. But honestly, this is a full head. I know it's only 2 bundles, guys, but it's a full head with the bundles they gave me. And I didn't even use the 2 full bundles because I didn't use all the blonde. So I did use all the black, but I didn't use all the blonde. I think how many blonde pieces I had? Probably like, I probably used 12 separate pieces in just like 6 spots where I had that blonde in. I did like a couple pieces in the back and a couple pieces in the front on both sides. So, but yeah, as you guys can see, the blonde, still, hey, look, these are some good quality tape-in extensions. The glue is, the tape is like super sticky, and the hair smells nice. The hair is good quality. I actually really enjoyed that. So right here, guys, I have that middle part, so I'm just going to fill in on the sides. Make sure you're not doing too close to the edges because you will see it whenever you put the hair up, okay? So yeah, I'm just going to literally do the same concept on the sides. Sympathy, dreaming in reality, even when you're not with me. No, I'll always keep you company, What should I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Yeah, guys, so I ended up doing 5 pieces. Well, it's actually 10 pieces, but when you sandwich them together, they're 5. So I did 5 separate, you know, pieces with 5 separate sandwiches on every side. So 5 on the left side, 5 on the right side, okay? And then I added some pieces in the middle. Made sure that I had enough room, you know, behind the part at the top. But yeah, guys, super quick and super easy. I couldn't see the top middle, so I had to get up and go to the bathroom. So you guys are not going to see that part, but it's literally the same concept, guys. The slicing the piece and literally sandwiching it together. I do say do not have oil on your scalp like that because it probably won't stick, as it will. When I do tape-in extensions, I do not put oil on my scalp like that at all, actually. So just be mindful of that because it will cause slippage and things like that, because you know it's taped and oil will kind of dissolve it and kind of get in the middle of it and make everything slippery. So just be mindful of that.
Sympathy, dreaming in reality, even when you're not with me. No, I'll always keep you company, your company. What should I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. On some better days, had it good before you went away. Remembering when you were mine. No, we go way back when you were my best friend. But now we're running out of time. What would I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company. I'll keep you company. Can I just take some time while I lose my mind? You've been gone for a minute and I can't seem to unwind. I've been going crazy out here, being brave and facing my fears. Always kept me safe, now you disappear. What would I do without you? Feeling so blue without you. I've been spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to hit my phone. Leave a little time for me. No matter where we might be, I'll keep you company.
Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was informative. Like I stated before, everything that I use will be in the description box below, okay? And a coupon code so you guys can save y'all some coins on these tape-in extensions. I know these things are trending. And yeah, you want to make sure you get some good quality extensions for a great price, guys. Hands down, one of my best companies that I've used tape-in extensions. I use Curly, I use Straight before. This is my 3rd time using tape-in extensions for myself, and I did tape-in extensions for other people. Guys, this is virgin hair. Some companies do not offer virgin hair. They offer only Remy hair. That's not what you want. You do not want a Remy hair. Girl, get curly, straight, whatever you want to do. Get some color up in that thing. Whatever you feel like you gotta do that, okay? Love you guys so much, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye.